cryptocurrencies is just one application of blockchain technology, but it became sort of the epitome of it because for the first time ever, we were able to prove that this technology solved a problem that had never been solved in this way before. So we had solved problems for distributed data in many different ways. I'll give you a silly example. I want to send you a very large file. I can't do it through email. So what we would normally do is go to a service like WeTransfer or any alike. We would upload it to their database, and then they will send you a link that you can access it. It's not a distributed network, but if you think about the solution, we solve the problem of accessing a very large file in a distributed way by putting it somewhere where we all could access it. Anybody with that link could just download it, right? We had never done something like that with money. So that's where the innovation of cryptocurrencies came about. The fact that if I send you that WeTransfer link and you download it, but unfortunately I happen to put it in the wrong place or your email gets compromised or whatever, now anybody with that link can download that WeTransfer. And I'm just picking on that one because I happen to have used it this morning. But anybody can access that file. There's infinite copies of that file. That works okay if we're talking about pictures or videos or just regular documents, but it really doesn't work if we're talking about transactional value. Like if I put $100 bill equivalent and only you can access it, I need to destroy it after you access it. I will need to make sure that I don't have any longer a copy of that bill because I need to be able to spend that money. That is considered or called the double spend problem, which is the fact that you can replicate infinite exact copies of digital files. So we needed a way to make sure that when we send money to each other, the new version of that money got rid of the prior holder of that money, but also couldn't be replicated. And that's exactly what cryptocurrencies were able to solve.